Welcome to my voice studio. Today we are going to conclude the warming up routines that we started a few weeks ago. In the previous videos we have been practicing with the lip trill, the rolling tongue sound, the consonant M, and today to conclude these routines we are going to work with the NG sound. Now when we put the N and the G together we have this sound. It's like when you are saying the word sing, long, song, that sound where the tongue is touching the soft palate in the back. Now when we were doing the M sound, I told you to keep your tongue, the base of your tongue down a little bit to make sure that the base of the tongue were not touching the soft palate. This time we are going to touch the soft palate with the base of your tongue. So if this is the back of your mouth where your soft palate is and this is your tongue, you need to make sure that the tongue is touching like this, the soft palate, and we're going to have that sound. Now behind that sound we are going to continue practicing the ah sound like we were practicing before in that gnawing sensation. Okay, so we are going to open our mouth this way like we are saying ah, but we are going to do that sound, the NG sound together. Now if you say the word long and you stayed in that syllable, long, that's the sound that you need to try to find. Okay, so we are going to do 5 notes from the top to the bottom with that sound. We're going to start right here, very comfortable in the lower part of our range. Now remember, if this is too low for you, start doing it when you feel in the part of the range that you feel comfortable, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it. And what we need to feel is a lot of vibrations, again, here in this part of your face, where your nasal cavities are. That's the goal for the singers, to go there, because this is the place where the voice resonates and the voice amplifies naturally. When we are singing and we are singing correctly, we are using both cavities. These are the nasal cavities right here. This is the oral cavity right here. So when we put those two cavities to work together, is where you have the most healthiest sound, the most beautiful sound, and the most powerful sound without pushing your voice. That's the most important thing. So this sound is going to be a little bit nasal. That's okay. For now, just discover those sensations, those places where your voice wants to take you, to make you understand how easy and how comfortable it is to sing this way. So I'm going to show you a little bit how it should sound. Starting here. That's the way that this exercise should sound. Remember to take a deep breathing. We have talked about how to take a deep breathing for singing before. Make sure that your stomach is going out a little bit, okay, and your diaphragm goes down. So if you're sitting down like I am sitting down right now, you're gonna feel like your bottom is pushing down the chair a little bit. That's the sensation we need to look for. And then make sure that your shoulders and your chest are not moving. They are not going up like this or collapsing down like this. Keep this very relaxed and just let the voice, that air flows through your vocal cords and come to these places without pushing anything. That's the key. Do not push anything. So I'm going to play for the girls. And remember, if this is too low for you, wait for me to go a little bit up and then you join me. Okay? We are not going that high yet. Okay? Let's start it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's for the girls. Now for the guys, we're going to start right here. Same thing. Okay. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the exercise for today. Now let me remind the guys, when you are going up, if your voice breaks and go to falsetto, let it go. That's okay for now. We're going to work on that later on. But for now, if your voice breaks and goes to falsetto, just let it go, relax, and just keep going up as much as you can without forcing your voice. Well, this is the exercise for today. I hope you like it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below this video. You can also visit my channel here on YouTube, The Online Voice Studio, and send me an email asking me for any kind of advice, or if you want to propose a subject about voice technique, feel free to do it. I'm going to be very happy to keep uploading videos answering questions and giving you more advice about how to keep your voice healthy, etc., etc. Okay? So I hope you have a very good Christmas, and I will see you next time. Happy singing! Bye-bye!